TD CNC are in Hove today. We're at Dugard. I'm with Colin Thomson, who's the UK sales manager. Colin, firstly, I want to talk to you about this machine behind us here, Kitamura. Since you've been at Dugard, this is a real coup for the company, isn't it? Great product to be able to supply.
Massive coup for us. Starting in January, been very successful. Premium products that's required in the UK with the high-end manufacturing we're trying to achieve in this country now. The Kitamura just fits straight into that box.
Now, I'm not going to go into too much technical detail, Colin, but I know that there's a few patterns on these machines that make them outstanding when it comes to the rigidity and the speed. This particular model here, the HX500, could you just give us a quick overview of what this particular machine is?
Okay, you've got the ability of a 500mm pallet, 500 by 500 pallet. More importantly though, for people trying to find production cycle times, we've got 60 metres a minute on hardened box weigh machine. The power inside the machine, we have twin ball screws, so we've got good torque levels. The spindles, 20,000 RPM, 4-speed gearbox spindle in there. The beauty with that is we can then machine anything from Inconels to alloys, right the way up down to aluminiums, plastics, the softer end of the materials as well. So
this is what fascinates me about the Kitamura brand, is that often in machine tool brands, let's say there's several boxes to tick: power, speed, rigidity. You know, often people say you can't tick all of them, but what we're sort of saying here is that you can. You know, you've got that high speed spindle, you've got plenty of power, and we're also saying that you've got a box guideway construction running at 60 metres a minute.
You're very unique. Very, very unique concept, the way the machine works.
And does this apply to some of the, let's say, the smaller footprint machines, the 5-axis machines? Because there is a big range, isn't there?
Oh, yes. Right the way down to the little HX250. Exact same again, 60 metres a minute. The accuracy as well on all of the machines is phenomenal. We do the accuracy test over the full travel of the axes. Now, that's down to 2 microns. Everyone else in the industry, it's over 300mm, and they're saying 4 or 5 microns. So that gives you an idea of the hand scraping accuracy we're getting on the machine. What amazed me with the first machine that come in, there was 0 offsets to compensate for any machine error. That's how they're built. They're built to perfection from ground up.
You bring these in, I mean, is this machine in stock?
This is our stock machine. We've got another smaller machine coming into stock, 250 IG. That will be in the next 2 weeks. Then from there, we're maybe looking at bringing a 5-axis in for stock as well.
With the sort of points we've spoken about, does that mean they're expensive, Colin?
No, extremely competitively priced for what you get. Extremely.
The horizontal market, though, again, this being a horizontal, is there? We've seen a few customers embracing it recently, but it's always been quite a hard one in the UK, getting people to buy into that method of manufacture, isn't it?
I think at the moment it seems to be more people are switching on to the horizontal. Simple reason is labour. With the horizontal, we can then actually minimise the skilled labour with the palleting system on there. Also get a lot more unmanned hours out of the machine. That's what Kitamura is really good for. As soon as we go to palleting system, lights out machining guaranteed, and it's not a gimmick, it truly is. I've seen it with my own eyes now.
So I think the point from this is quality, speed, rigidity, longevity, but as you've said, not a big price tag either. So should people be in contact to you saying, all right, we want one of them and we can afford it?
Definitely. The hidden gem in the range though is the HX250 IG. 30 taper horizontal, lightning fast. It competes with the high speed mill taps out there, and we've got a palleting system on that, so again, small footprint, high production.
Good stuff, and there'll be one here soon, won't there, that you
yes.
can come and look at?
2 weeks time.
2 weeks time, good stuff. There you have it. This one's in stock, but more to come here or at Dugard in Hove. Thank you very much, Colin.
Thank you.